Welcome to Ashlin Ranch, located in the beautiful Bitterroot Valley of western Montana, with almost a mile of spectacular Bitterroot River frontage. The Bitterroot River is well known by fly fishermen worldwide for scenic, high-quality fly fishing and floating opportunities. This 347-acre ranch offers private recreation. There are irrigated meadows, mature pines, large ponds, and a year-round creek. The views of Como Peaks in the Bitterroot mountain range are stunning. The property is located only 5 miles south of Hamilton, and the private road is paved to the 8,100 square feet of living space offered at the owner's residence. Let's take a look inside. The home at Ashlin Ranch has Yellowstone Lodge elements combined with the sophisticated finishes of today's most luxurious homes. The atmosphere is like a mini museum of Western living. Included in the sale are fine art collections, bronzes, Native American artifacts, Old West cowboy collections, Thomas Molesworth furniture, quality home furnishings, decor, and the ranch equipment. The amenities include vaulted ceilings with timber truss work, circular sawn wood floors, dramatic log stairway with single bent wood handrails and twig pickets. There's a large dining room, wood slab breakfast bar, and western wet bar, and a huge sunroom that features 1870s French roofing tile flooring. The Soaring Rock wood-burning fireplace and handcrafted lighting add a sense of drama to the room. The large kitchen features professional-grade GE appliances with granite countertops. The smoked glass walk-in wine room offers storage and display for over 3,000 bottles of wine. Views of the ranch and the mountains from the sunroom and heated screen porch are simply spectacular. The gazebo cooking and dining space will invite guests to enjoy Montana evenings. There's a spacious master bedroom with dual closets and a spa bath. There are 4 guest rooms in the home, plus a cozy apartment with a kitchen and 2 bedrooms over the triple-car garage. The executive office suite features a workout room, steam shower, sauna, and sporting room over another triple-car garage. With over 100 acres of pasture and historic water rights, the ranching activities are managed from a 2,100 square foot ranch home and a stately 3,100 square foot horse barn and shops.
This is Jan King. Thank you for watching. If you would like a showing of this unique property, please contact me.